Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna try to install this aftermarket radio. Now in theory between 1998 and 2001 we've got one type of connections on the back of this radio unit, and then between 2002 and 2005 there is another type. So my biggest concern with this unit is if these adapters will connect and match these connectors on this type of radio. So let's see first how to remove it from here and inspect it. Open this ashtray and you're gonna find two screws on the corners. Usually they are gonna be T15. In my situation, the previous owner replaced them. And place the gear selector to drive. And now this fake wood cover should come out. It's gonna come out together with the AC unit control. So let's place it apart. Now with the T15, you've got two screws on the bottom here and two up here. People were watching TVs in 1999 on their cars. Okay, so these are the connection back here, and my first impression is that these won't match my adapters here. Now two of them have this type of lever. You can easily pull it out. This is the antenna. Okay, this one looks like it's gonna match my adapter here. Okay, it makes some noise, which means it gets power. This connector should match with this one. Obviously it doesn't. And if you have a look on the adapter on my radio, which I want to install, two of them are purple, two of them are gray, two white and two green. And we found a similarity here. I don't know the wiring diagram, however I can see something similar going on here. Let's say my radio goes back here. Well, it's not gonna match that. Wonderful. So I've done some research online and we've got here a couple of options. First option is to buy one complete kit. It's gonna come as well with the wirings. And this one is gonna be around $250, let's say $300 with the import fees. It looks quite good. It's a lot better than what I have. But my priority is to save money. So there is another option, which is to buy just the wiring harness. This one is gonna cost maybe like 8 times less. However, it's gonna be the problem of matching that radio into the wood panel. So I'll have to buy a new one. So even if I buy a new one, I don't think it's gonna match on the width. On the length is okay, but on the width is gonna be a hole here when I put my radio. Down here is gonna be the AC unit. I'm not worried about that, but here I'm gonna have a hole. It's kind of easy to improvise something and put something nice here, but if you want something more premium, definitely you need to go with something like this. There are different options. Or should I go just with buying cables and one of these wood panel? Now the third option is to find out the wiring diagram and try to connect all these 8 wires and make this radio work. However, I can see here, for example, even this 5-wire connector, which apparently it matches, it's actually not connecting all those 5 pins. So we are actually connecting only 3 pins, not these 2, which is a problem, okay? Okay, so I managed to power actually the radio. All I had to do is to connect manually these 2 wires. Now the problem is for this output, which comes from my radio for the speakers, needs to connect with at least 8 wires from this bunch. And I have absolutely no idea what's the diagram of these 2 connectors. So I will have to go with an adapter because there is no way I can find out. And I don't want to guess around. Otherwise you might be able to connect 1 speaker or 2 speakers, but the sound is not going to be that great, so you want a good quality sound. So unfortunately I'm not going to use this radio for a while until those adapters will come and together with that wood panel. So until then I'm going to install back this old TV thing. Okay guys, so I tried to do my best to finish this video today, but unfortunately I will have to end it now. At least you could see what to expect from this S-Class from 1999 to 2001. What type of connections you're going to find back there, and to be prepared with the right adapters. And obviously you have to buy the right kit. Make sure that it will fit your car. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.